An elderly York County woman struggling tonight after her electricity's cut off because she didn't pay the bill. The woman needs power to run an oxygen machine to help her breathe, but that's where the electric company says her story gets complicated. Here's News 8's Brendan McNamara.
It doesn't get any better.
Life with COPD has been painful for 72-year-old Sarah Way.
I've worked ever since I was 16 years old, and I've never been in this kind of shape. Never.
And after struggling to pay her power bill for about a year, Met-Ed shut down her electricity on Tuesday. The oxygen machine she uses to live no longer works. She's been donated oxygen tanks, but only a few days' worth. Met-Ed does not comment on individual customers, but says turning off power is a last resort.
We will only terminate customers who chronically, consistently, and constantly do not pay their bills.
That bill is now $3,100. Way's family says the power should be left on because of her condition.
I just think it's wrong they put a price tag on my mom's life like that.
The Public Utility Commission says that shutoffs can happen, even if that customer is using a life-saving device. It comes down to two factors. Does that customer have a medical certification for the device? And have they been offered a reasonable payment schedule? Way says she has the certification, but can't consistently afford even a $60 a month payment plan.
That's too high. I cannot make that kind of payment every month.
And on a low fixed income with little help, it could be a long time before these lights come on again.
You just feel like you just wish you could lay down and die and get it over with.
In York County, Brendan McNamara, News 8.
Now, Sarah Way's family is in the process of hiring an attorney to fight Met-Ed's decision.